Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and it is day 11 of 12 days of arts and coffees. That's where I do an art or craft while drinking some interesting coffees. So that means it's time to pick out a mystery coffee flavor. Giving it a good shake, good toss. Alright, what flavor did we get? Soothing lavender honey. Ooh, how interesting. Okay, I'm excited for this one. Alright, I'm gonna go make my coffee and pick out my gift for the day. Alright, here's the coffee. I had to get like right up on it to be able to smell the lavender, so that's not a good sign, but let's try it. The lavender is like mostly in the aftertaste and almost like not at all there, but it's still good. I say that like almost every time. Okay, here's the gift I picked out. It's all stripy, almost too big for the shot. Let's open it up to see what's inside. Why is it pink? Why is it like a car? Don't tell me it's shrinky dink. Shrink and bling. Bracelet maker. Includes ice cream truck. I don't know why. Bracelet holder, 10 bracelets, 2 jump rings, 1 sticker sheet, 1 roll of 70 shrink wrap, 2 enamel charms, and instructions. Hair dryer and scissors not included. Oh, here's the front. That makes more sense now. Choose the wrap. Cut out with scissors. Use a hairdryer to shrink it. Wear it. Okay. Interesting. This is the same brand as the last one, I think. Alright, let's see. Here's our bust. Very, very pink. I can never find the openings on these things. Truck assembly. Okay, I think we're supposed to decorate first and then like assemble the truck stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, first the wheels. Hey, get out of the shot. First the wheels. Stickers are a little too big. Then the awning, because I know where to put that one. Can't get these drawers out, Jesus. Oh my gosh, get out. Oh, maybe I should hold it the direction it's going in, right? That'd make more sense to figure out what goes where. Okay. Sticker doesn't wrap around to the front. That's odd. Like, I wish it had just gone around to, like, at least that much, you know? That's a window. I need to poke these holes. They're cut out, they just didn't come off. I have to hold this one up because I'm not able to see it from my angle here. Very good. Uh-oh. Or like this. Oh my god. I guess that's good enough because it's in there now. A little crooked, it's fine. These hurt. Very pokey. Okay, this looks like it's the front. It's the bumper, but it's a light, I guess. And the back one, we have like this tiny little circle-y piece that goes where? It goes on a piece that's not molded on here, like right there. And this goes on the skinny drawer. Wondering how they were going to deal with the knobs. They have like a little cut in it for us to get it around here. There's that drawer done. And this drawer done. I guess we put the knobs on too. These little circles are. Gotta do the ice cream cone too. Ignore the bubbles. They aren't there. Now we have the body to do, which comes in one whole piece. Okay. Perfect for children. These skinny little pieces. Alright, now I'm gonna hyperfixate on this for the rest of the video. Did I not put it low enough? Why are these like, why is this corner not matching? Oh my god, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I ripped it. Well, stop curling up. I don't know why this is not lining up now. Oh boy. I don't think the sticker was aligned right, but I could be wrong. It could be me. But it's not following the molding either. Oh my god, now it's ripping there. I'm like trying to force it to fit where it's supposed to go. It's not working out for me. Would you believe me if I said I used to apply vinyl for a living and this sticker is ruining me? I used to do this to real cars. Okay. All these crappy stickers are on here. It's not perfect, but we're gonna take it. Like, am I ever gonna get that drawer back out? Who knows? And the ice cream goes on top like that. Okay, how does it want us to set this up? It's saying to feed the bracelet. We might need a second camera here. We feed the bracelet through the back of the truck right here. So that it'll stick out a little in there like this. I don't know what you do with the rest of the bracelet though. Kind of silly. And it says do the same for your shrink roll wraps. I'll choose the shorter one. I don't know why we got such a short one. I think the patterns are like the same though. Like exactly the same. Oh gosh, let me not knock everything over. Oh my god. They won't stay on each side. So there's that. And then these go on the little hooks that are on the back of the truck here. I'm gonna have to find pliers to open the jump rings though. Wait, maybe I could do it with my fingers. Oh, I can. It was silver and a gold, like, popsicle stick. Let me see if I can straighten this up enough to show you guys on camera, because this is actually, like, in the way for me to see in there too. Alright, let's see. Can you see in there? Oh my god. This long one, like, torturing me. I feel like it'd make more sense to just have all the bracelets in there and not do this whole shrink wrap thingy. Alright, give me a minute. Okay, this is the best I could do, and like, I don't understand this whole thing up here. So this is purely for aesthetic. It has nothing to do with how this craft is gonna function. So anyways, let's see how we go about doing this. Oh, we gotta cut out what ones we like. Okay, got it. Okay, so we need this. Oh, it is gonna suction cup to this. That's crazy. The silicone mat. Okay, I like this minty colored one. Okay, I cannot get this separated. Need tweezers. And I'm assuming you wrap this around string. Oh my god, I had it for a whole second. Gonna drop it in. I don't know. There we go. You're telling me this is gonna shrink to that tiny little charm. We'll do a test one. Get all the shrink plastic out of here so I don't accidentally heat it up. Next, we got blow dryer. I'll probably mute through this portion so it's not obnoxious for you guys. That happened exactly like I thought it would. I'm gonna try it without this thing. We need to like clip it down somehow. So this is barely working. Okay, I'm gonna try and use binder clips to hold this all down, just so it won't move. Let's see if this does any better. Well, it worked better after I did clip it down, but I'm beginning to notice that I should probably cut these designs down a little bit more because it's like wrapping around the beads. Don't worry, this one's just our test one. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, let's try this ice cream cone one, but like maybe cutting it down a lot more, like fit the shape and size of this. Oh my god. This is the hardest part. It does say to do the flat areas, but I'm kind of curious. Can I do it around all the beads and not worry about cutting this down? I don't know. It's like not working good. I'll have to just like put a whole tube on here. Also very hot, and like I think the binder clips are actually melting this little thingy that's holding it because binder clips are getting hot. I kind of just want to see what would happen if I put like the whole tube on here. Okay, that is as much as I could get onto this. I've been messing with it for like 15 minutes trying to shove it down a tube, and I'm fairly certain that this is not going to work at all. But let's go ahead and give it another shot here. Worked better as a tube, but you know, now it's not really usable as a bracelet. Like, it's just weird that these like charms are half the size of the design area. All right, I guess I'm gonna torture myself and try to do one for real now. I'm just gonna cut the designs up, stick them on a bracelet. Let's do a white one this time. Should cut them down, I guess. These are way too big for the little charms they want us to melt onto. All right, I got all the flat ones covered. Let's see if it's actually gonna work though. So it kind of worked, but again, like they're just cut too big. All right, I took a break and I'm gonna attempt to do this some more, okay? But this time I'm actually gonna theme the bracelets. I think we're done with testing. We kind of know what's gonna happen. But now let's just try to make it work. You know what I mean? So I'm basically gonna cut these all up and like put them in groups. Okay, so I cut them up and I put them in these drawers so they don't fly away when I do the blow drying. Just shoving them back into my crappy little truck here. And my bracelets over here. I picked out a theme here. I just gotta chop them up smaller so they'll actually fit the little designs that they're gonna go on. Gonna toss this part here. Opening them is like the hardest part. Oh man, I had it open for a second. By the way, I'm not doing the cones because it says the flat surface ones and the cones are round, so it didn't really work out on the one I tested it on anyways. All right, let's get our little thing set up here. Let's get the blow dryer back out, see if it'll work. God, this thing is so hot. Okay, that was definitely better than before, but still, it took way longer. It's saying like 20 to 30 seconds on the instructions. Like maybe my blow dryer isn't that strong, but it does dry my hair. So it could just be taking longer because I just don't have like a high quality blow dryer or something. But this is like getting really, really hot. So I don't get it. Let me see if I could pick out more themes here. And also, by the way, the sticker on this is like peeling up everywhere, in case anybody cared. Okay, so for this one, I'm tried to make like the fold opposite. It looks like the design like carries over onto the seam. Like I'm supposed to make it more tube shaped. I don't know how to explain what I'm saying here, but maybe this will work a little bit better. We'll see. Okay, so for this one, I wouldn't say it worked better to have them opposite of like the flat, but it makes the design make more sense to do that. And some of them didn't like it completely done or anything. I did notice that like if I had the blow dryer like steady on it, it didn't melt, but as soon as I like started to go back and forth, it would melt. I don't know why that is though. Odd, really. For this one, I've chosen all cherries. This one to see how it would look. Have all one pattern. Let's do it. Alright, my coffee's all done. That must mean we're done with the project. So as the coffee cooled down, I could taste the lavender more and more, so it was better, you know, once it cooled off. So I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5, because I wish it was still a little bit more lavendery. I'm somebody who likes it strong, okay? And this project was something. Decorating the truck, I felt like could have been more fun if the stickers were better quality, like they're already peeling up and they ripped everywhere. And the drawers aren't like really the right size for the slots they're in. I think it was like a cool idea to set up the truck to be like an aesthetic thing for putting together these bracelets, but it wasn't very conventional. Like if they had made it so you like rolled up your shrink plastic and it came out like a ribbon and you'd like cut it up. That would have been cool. Well, I don't know what was up with this. I think it had potential to be a good idea, but it didn't have anything to hold the bracelet ends down, so they kept on like falling off when I was blow drying. You only get one size. They don't have like extra string here to make them wider. I know these are going on a kid's wrist, but it also feels like it's a one-time use because you're going to tie it on. And then what? Like, it's going to be on your wrist forever, or are you going to cut it off? Because how do you get it off once it's tied on there? But honestly, I'm going to give it a pity point. I'm going to give it a 1 out of 5 cheat faces, just because I think I might be able to customize this truck to maybe be a cat toy in some kind of form. So don't forget to comment and like the video if you want to see that happen. But that is going to be it for me today. If you guys want to watch the last 12 days of arts and coffees, you can tap the thumbnail here. Want to catch up on anything you missed, you can tap the thumbnail here. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!